Tingane miqeda ukuzalwa before ihambe kumele iqale igaqe mayiqeda ukugaqa ngeke tivele igijime Tingane miqeda ukuzalwa emhlabeni before ihambe kumele igaqe mayiqeda ukugaqa ngeke tivele igijime Njengoba wena ufuna ukuthi uvele undize nje No, ahambe kanjalo No Njengoba wena ufuna ukuthi uvele undize nje No, ahambe kanjalo
On the fifth was Ubena Moose. I'm shallow, I'm doing this shit for the revenue. Just give me your house on the hill with the baddest view. Ngizombono sathana umengenya on your belly soup. Zupe mukolo, I will never lose. Dedicated, super powers fully activated. Vaga mnyaga mngago love will never fade. Mungi vala mnyanga one more have to break. You was a witness when I put a label on my shoulder, something like a fashion statement. Then you later witness how they crucified me. I was at my lowest, now I'm recalibrated. I'm dealing with demons, I'm saying I look tired. Yakaba winding up a fooling, you win it, they want me to farm. But niggas is something I couldn't give up on And I'm not into flexing, I know that I'm rich, I'm just trying to be humble. You notice the drip, my sing darling and gwango hanging on to Zio. I come from the jungle, you put this sliling in them bars on the rumble. All over was deep in the heart of the struggle, was really defeated, caught up in the heart of Yentala. No season will lava uvala. You think this is easy, get out of your bubble. Must figure to me, niggas nothing but trouble. Ngikhutilum shining on yaw lunwa. Buya ferra ngeke ngitshele next. I could sentimental when I reminisce. So yeah, Pumalanga Mkondo, that's the genesis. Now you see us in these palaces. We in the city pushing hella waves. I circumvented all my challenges.
Tingane miqeda ukuzalwa before ihambe kumele iqale igaqe mayiqeda ukugaqa ngeke tivele igijime Tingane miqeda ukuzalwa emhlabeni before ihambe kumele igaqe mayiqeda ukugaqa ngeke Vele igijime Njengoba wena ufuna ukuthi uvele undize nje No, ahambe kanjalo No Njengoba wena ufuna ukuthi uvele undize nje No Into ngayiqala kudala suka nayo kanjalo iphuma kankomo zinye upolish zibe emakhaya yangekho amathuba lokunje ngikudle njalo mambazo sihlale emaweni babejaha ukuba sematheni bonke basale enkundleni cause one thing you need to know is the come is the go before one iqala zero you cannot just who's and Isivinini siyabulala yahlanisha umhlaba